Morning students, class 9 coordinate geometry. Today we will discuss how we will plot a given point on the graph paper and the name of the quadrant. So let us consider one example. The example is locate the following point on graph paper in the Cartesian plane and write the name of quadrant. So the points are first point, let E be 5, 0, B be the 0, 5, C be the 2, 5, D be the 5, 2, E be the -3, 5, and F be the -3, -5, Z be the 5, -3, and H be the point 6, 1. These are the some given point. These are the coordinate of the given point. Let E be the any point whose abscissa is 5, coordinate is 0. Similarly, B is the point 0, 5 whose abscissa is 0, coordinate is 5. C be the another point whose abscissa is 2 and ordinate is 5, and so on. So these are the given points, and we have to plot these points on the graph paper first in the Cartesian plane, and we have to write the name of quadrant of this point. So to plot the given point in a Cartesian plane, we will take two mutually perpendicular lines. What you have to do? First, you have to take a graph paper, and on the graph paper at the center, you have to draw one line which is known as XO, X base, and another line YO, Y base. So these are the two mutually perpendicular axes. Now how you will draw these two lines on the graph paper? So first of all, you have to see the graph paper, and on that graph paper you have to count the vertical line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on here. Let us suppose total lines from first to last are 18. Then at the center, after 9, you have to draw one line, and similarly you have to count the horizontal line, because on the graph paper at the 1 centimeter unit you will find some vertical and horizontal lines. So on the graph paper from top to bottom, if the horizontal lines are, let us suppose, somewhere 16 or somewhere 18, then you have to find the center point. So what you have to do on graph paper, you have to draw two mutually perpendicular lines. Horizontally is known as x-axis and vertically is known as y-axis. Now this point of intersection will be taken as 0 or point of reference. The coordinate of this point 0 will be 0, 0, that is x coordinate is also 0 and y coordinate is also 0. Now from 0 to right hand side on this horizontal line, write the points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. Similarly in left hand side, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 and -7. In upward direction, that is O positive, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and this is the 7. And from below to O, that is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 and -7. This type we will plot the point on positive x-axis, negative x-axis, positive y-axis and negative y-axis. Now this is the first quadrant, XO, Y, this is the first quadrant. This is X dash O, Y is the second quadrant. This is X dash O, Y dash, this is the third quadrant. And this is X, O, Y dash is the fourth quadrant. Now if the abscissa and ordinate both are the positive quantity, then it will lie in the first quadrant. If the x coordinate is positive and y coordinate is 0, then this will lies on x-axis. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This point, let us suppose A. This is 5, 0. If the y coordinate is 0, then this will be lies on x-axis. Now second point 0, y. If the x coordinate is 0, then this is lies on y-axis. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 0, 5. So this is your B point. So this is your positive x-axis. This is on positive y-axis. यहाँ अपन लिखते रहते हैं. This is positive x-axis on positive x-axis. This is on positive y-axis. This is on positive y-axis. This is x is 2 and y is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This point is your C. 2, 5. This point is in first quadrant. So this is lies in first quadrant. Then 5, 2 on x-axis is 5 and on y-axis 2. So 1 and 2. This is 5, 2 and the point is your 5, 2 is D. So this is also in first quadrant. First quadrant. Then minus 3, 5 on x-axis minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. 5 is on above direction. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the point. This is the point D. This is minus 3 E point. This is E point minus 3, 5. So minus 3, 5. Abscissa minus 3 and ordinate is positive 5. So this is lies in second quadrant. Okay. Then next point F. Abscissa is also negative and y is also negative. जो ये third quadrant में होगा. So this is the third quadrant. अब plot कैसे करेंगे? On negative x-axis minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and negative y-axis में minus 5. So minus 3 और minus 5 के parallel. This is the point F, which is your minus 3, minus 5. Then next point G, 5, minus 3. So abscissa is positive, ordinate is negative. So 5, minus 3. This is the 5, minus 3. This point is your G. So this is lies in fourth quadrant. And again next point is 6, 1. Both are positive, so it will be in the first quadrant. So this is 6 and 1. So this is H 6, 1 and quadrant will be first. So in this way, we can plot the given point on a graph paper and we can define their position, whether they are lying in first, second, third or fourth quadrant, or x positive axis, x negative, or y positive or y negative. So the most important thing, if both the coordinates are positive and numerical, first quadrant. If the first coordinate is negative, second is positive in the second quadrant. If both the coordinates are negative, then it will lies in third quadrant. First is positive and second is negative, then it will lies in fourth quadrant. Similarly, if the x coordinate is numerically and y coordinate 0, then it will lies on x-axis. If x coordinate positive, then on positive x-axis, and if x coordinate is negative, then on negative x-axis. Similarly, if the point having x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is numerical, then it may lies on y-axis. But x is 0 and y positive, then on positive y-axis, and if x is 0 and y is negative, then it will lies on negative y-axis. So in this way, we can plot the point on the graph paper and we can write their location, that is whether they are lying in various quadrant or positive x-axis or negative x-axis or positive y-axis or negative y-axis. So hope you like this. Let us see one more example. Please pause the video, note down. Now next second example, the pair of number given in the table can be represented by the points. Point A is minus 3, 7. Point B is your minus 0, minus 3.5. And point C is minus 1, minus 3. Point D is 4, 4. And point E is 2, minus 3. What we have to do? We have to locate this point in the Cartesian plane and we have to write the location. So to plot this given point, first of all, we will draw these type of mutually perpendicular lines on a graph paper. So the horizontal line is XO, X dash, which is known as X-axis also, and this is known as YO, Y dash, that is Y-axis. So sometimes X-axis is known as horizontal axis and the vertical line is known as Y-axis. Okay, so these are the nomenclature. Horizontal line we say, or X-axis, same thing. Similarly, Y-axis के हैं और vertical lines, that is the same. Now, the point of intersection is always known as point of reference or origin. All other point which lies on various quadrant or on axis, every point will be measured always with respect to this point. Now, we have to first of all take a scale. Scale हमेशा हम यहाँ top में लिखते हैं. On x-axis, 1 unit is 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit, and on y-axis also 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. जो मार्केट में आपको ग्राफ पेपर मिलता है उसमें जो हॉरिजॉन्टल और वर्टिकल लाइन जो ड्रॉ की हुई है वो 1-1 सेंटीमीटर की डिस्टेंस पे होती है. सो ओरिजिन से राइट हैंड साइड में हम प्लॉट करेंगे फर्स्ट लाइन को 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 एंड सो ऑन. सिमिलरली नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन में -1, -2, -3, -4 एंड -5. पॉजिटिव वाई एक्सिस पे +1, +2, +3, +4, +5 एंड सो ऑन. Then in negative x -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and so on. Now let us see the given point. The first point is -3,7. -3,7 means abscissa -3 है और ऑर्डिनेट आपका +7 है. +7 का मतलब यहाँ अपने को स्केल इंक्रीज करना पड़ेगा. दिस इज +6 एंड दिस इज +7. So x-axis पे -1, -2, -3 और y-axis पे +7. So इन दोनों का vertical point, this point will be your A -3,7 and obviously this is located in second quadrant. Now second point is 0, -3.5. 0, -3.5 का मतलब अगर x कोऑर्डिनेट 0 है इसका मतलब ये y एक्सिस पे होगी और ऑर्डिनेट अगर नेगेटिव है तो नेगेटिव y एक्सिस पे. तो देखो x0 इसका मतलब है तो y एक्सिस पे, लेकिन -3.5 का मतलब -3 और -4 के बीच में ये -3.5. So this point is your 0, -3.5. So which lies on negative y axis. Y-axis. Then next -1, -3 both are negative, so ये थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में होगा. -1 का मतलब ये और -3 means -2, -3 ये वाला. So this is the intersection point. So this is the point C, -1, -3. So the quadrant will be third quadrant. Then next point is D, 4, 4. Abscissa is also positive, ordinate is also positive. So both are positive. So in the first quadrant, so x is 4 and y is also 4. So this is the common point 4, 4, and we can plot this by D point, and quadrant is first quadrant. Then next E point, abscissa is +2 and ordinate is -3. So this will be in the fourth quadrant. ये x2 है, y -3 है. So this is the point 2, -3 and nomenclature is E. So this is the fourth quadrant. So in this way, we can plot the point in the Cartesian plane and the location also, whether they are lying in the quadrant or on particular axis. So yes student, next exercise is NCERT 3.3, page number 65. In this exercise, two questions are there. First question is, plot the following point in the Cartesian plane and locate their position. So as per the example we just did, what we have to do? First we have to draw two mutually perpendicular lines. This is x o x dash, that is x axis, and this is y o y dash, that is y axis. The points are given. So first of all, we will take scale on x axis. 1 unit is equals to 1 centimeter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. Similarly on y axis, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and negative -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. Now the first point is -2, 4. X coordinate is negative, y is positive. So this is lies in second quadrant. First, second quadrant. सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट ये है, देखो x -2, -1, -2, y पॉजिटिव 4 है, तो 1, 2, 3, 4 इन दोनों पॉइंट का जो इंटरसेक्शन होगा -2 and 4 का, this point is your a coordinate and which lies in the second quadrant. Second point is represented by vertex b. X coordinate positive है, y negative है. X positive, y negative, this will lies in fourth quadrant. So चौथे क्वाड्रेंट में ये होगा जिसका x कोऑर्डिनेट 1, 2, 3 है और y कोऑर्डिनेट -1 है. तो इन दोनों का इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट, दिस इज योर पॉइंट B, and this will be represented by 3, -1. Then थर्ड पॉइंट इज C, -1, 0. अगर किसी पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट में y कोऑर्डिनेट अगर 0 हो तो वो x एक्सिस पे होगा, और एब्सिस अगर नेगेटिव है तो नेगेटिव x एक्सिस पे, और पॉजिटिव है तो पॉजिटिव x एक्सिस पे. सो -1, 0, y तो 0 है, सो x एक्सिस है और x कोऑर्डिनेट -1 है, तो पॉइंट की लोकेशन होगी यहाँ पे. दिस इज -1, 0 which lies on negative x axis. This is the location. Then D point is 1, 2, both are positive, so first quadrant x1 है and y2 है. This is 1, 2, point is your D. Then next point is -3, 5. X is also negative, y is also negative, so this is your third quadrant. So this was the third quadrant, this was the first quadrant. So this type location, -3, 5, -5 को लोकेट करना है तो -1, -2, -3 ये है, और 5 नीचे जाएंगे तो 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 ये यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. This point is your -3, -5, and nomenclature is E, lies in the fourth quadrant. So this time we can locate the point in the Cartesian plane and we can define their position. Similarly, second question, there are some points which are represented by let us suppose any point P that is represented by Px, y, where x is the abscissa and y is the ordinate. So let us suppose ये point कोई P था, जनरली x की ये वैल्यूज है, y की ये वैल्यूज है. तो अपन मान ले कि ये पॉइंट A है, ये B है, ये C है, ये D है और ये E पॉइंट. इन सारे पॉइंट को हमें क्या करना है, हमें ग्राफ पेपर पर लोकेट करना है कार्टेशियन प्लेन में और उनकी पोजीशन बतानी है. तो अपन क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले देखिए दो म्यूचुअली परपेंडिकुलर लाइंस लेंगे, एक x एक्सिस और दूसरी y एक्सिस. सो पहली xo x डेश, दूसरी yo y डेश. दिस इज हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन एंड दिस इज वर्टिकल लाइन. अब जो हमने टेबल दे रखी है एब्सिसा और ऑर्डिनेट की जो न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू है, देखो उसमें लिस्ट वैल्यू जो है वो -2 है एब्सिसा में, और ऑर्डिनेट की जो हाईएस्ट वैल्यू है वो 8 है. इसका मतलब हमें क्या करना है, स्केल जो है एटलीस्ट हमें 1 सेंटीमीटर इक्वल्स टू 1 से लेकर के 8 तक लेना है. So let us put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and this is 7 and this is your 8. राइट साइड में लेफ्ट में -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7 and this is your -8. On positive axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and let us suppose this is your 8. And negative में -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7 and -8. Now the first point A is -2,8. -2,8 का मतलब एक्सिस नेगेटिव है और y पॉजिटिव है. So this is -2 and +8. So approximate this point will be at this location. So -2,8 and which is lies in second quadrant. तो इसका लोकेशन हो गया सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट. देन -1,7 ये -1 है और 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. तो ये जो पॉइंट है आपका this is your -1,7. This is also in second quadrant. Second quadrant में ये लाइज कर रहा है because this one is the second quadrant. Then next point is 0, -1.25. आप देखो x 0 है और y नेगेटिव है तो x 0 y एक्सिस पे होता है. -1.25 का मतलब -1 और 2 का 1/4. This will be your 0, -1.25 point which is lies on negative y axis. Negative y axis. This third point C का location. Then D 1,3 both are positive, so it will be in first quadrant. X 1 है, y 1, 2, 3. This is 1,3 and point is nomenclature as D. D is 1,3. This is lies in first quadrant. First quadrant. Then next point E is x is 3 and y is negative. X is 3, 1, 2, 3. Y is negative, -1. So this is 3, -1. 3, -1 is the fourth quadrant. So in this way we can locate the point and we can plot on the graph paper. So hope you like this question. Please pause the video and note down.